Thank you for joining us to learn more about the Potrero Yard Modernization Project. This presentation includes information shared during our September 2023 Community Open House, recent neighborhood working group meetings, and other public hearings. All information is current as of February 2024. For additional information and most recent project updates, please visit us at sfmta.com/Potrero Yard.
To ensure that the bus yard, affordable housing, and commercial are all included at the new Potrero Yard, the SFMTA has identified a new paratransit variant to the proposed project. The paratransit variant creates an option for the top of the bus facility to be used for the SFMTA's paratransit fleet. This would be a backup use for the roof of the bus facility. The nature and timing of housing financing is different than the bus facility, with housing needing more time. In the event that podium housing cannot be financed and built in a reasonable time frame, this backup allows the roof to be fully utilized for an important transit function, the paratransit fleet. Because paratransit is a transportation-related use, including this variant actually allows the SFMTA to be able to fund upfront the increased structural strength of the roof that would be needed to build the housing above, and provide extra time for the housing to be built and then reimburse those costs. The Bryant Street housing, with a planned 103 units of family housing, is still included in this variant.